guys, I'm Palak and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a big shout out to all those ladies who are gearing up for Diwali season. I am sure सबके घरों में already बहुत सारी साफ सफाई शुरू हो गई है. So what better time to spice up your home with these cute little things. As already guessed, this video is all about making your sofas and beds look much more appealing with the help of these self-designed cushions. These styles are super quick, super affordable and much needed for this festive season. So without any further ado, let's get started.
For this DIY, I need cushions like these. I have purchased 5 such cushions from a street shop. ऐसे बहुत सारे shops होंगे आपके घर के पास जहाँ पर गद्दे बनते हैं या तकिया बनता है, तो you can order it from those shops. I got it for 70 rupees per pillow, and then along with that I have some fabric colors and then some paint brushes and also a glue gun that I will be needing. So I will be giving the links to all these items in the description bar below so that you can go and check them out. You can also get these items at a local stationery store. So let's just get started and make these simple designs.